Hey, what's up guys? So I'm joined here today by the Aspire 5. That is the all-new Aspire 5. New because we're working with a 10th gen CPU, an all-day battery life, and housed in a slim and sturdy case. So let's take a closer look. Okay, so what's inside? We have the 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor, and that's what I have in this one right here. You also have the option of an NVIDIA GeForce MX250 graphics card, which is great for an everyday laptop because then you have the option of a discrete GPU that you can use for things like gaming, editing, that kind of stuff. This one in particular has Intel's integrated graphics, so that's something to consider if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option. Okay, so what else do we have here? In terms of memory, I have 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and in terms of storage, I have a whopping 512 GB of PCIe NVMe SSD, so that's great. Okay, so let's take a look at the design on the Aspire 5. The top cover is made of aluminium, which gives it a really premium look and feel, and it's only 18mm thick, which means it's still thin and light enough for you to take around with you, out and about, but it doesn't feel flimsy. The screen doesn't feel too delicate when you're opening it up. It still feels sturdy, solid when you're taking it around, showing it about, that kind of thing, which is great. That's why I really look for it in a laptop. The bezels are really narrow and the hinge opens up to 180 degrees. Okay, so the keyboard here, this one's backlit, which is great, and the keys are really flat and low, so it's great for if you're a kind of a touch typer, but it's not too soft either. The keys have a really satisfying click. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. It has a number pad and it comes complete with an integrated fingerprint reader in the mouse pad. So that's pretty cool too. So in terms of display, this is the 15.6-inch version of the Aspire 5. There's also an even more portable 14-inch version available too. Both screens are matte IPS with 1080p resolution, and both also come with blue light shield, which is Acer technology to emit softer, warmer tones when you're looking at a computer all day long. So it's great for if you're doing office work and then maybe taking the laptop home with you, you can turn it on and it emits warmer tones to stop your eyes getting strained from blue light. So let's talk about battery and connectivity. So the battery in this Aspire 5 is a 48 watt-hour one, and this lasts up to 11 hours. However, this will depend on what you've chosen as your GPU. If it is integrated or discrete, this will have an effect on it. In terms of connectivity, it comes with Wi-Fi 5, and looking at the ports on this side, we have a Kensington lock, an older USB Type-A 2.0, that's something you want to use, and a headphone jack. Over on this side, however, we have our charging port, Ethernet port, a HDMI 1.4, 2 USB 3.1s, and the all-important USB Type-C port. So my thoughts. In my opinion, the Aspire 5 is sleek, sturdy, and professional. The combination of an SSD as opposed to a hard drive, coupled with a 10th gen processor and running dual-channel RAM, it ensures a smooth and fast system, whether you're at work or you're at home. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Is the Aspire 5 for you? Is it something you can see yourself having? And let me know if you have one already. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.